Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best leaf blower you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best leaf blower in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is EcoPower LB6504 leaf blower. The top leaf blowers that are cordless make up the EcoPower Plus line. All of the equipment in this line use lithium-ion batteries that lets you cut the cost of purchasing small devices and also decrease storage space. Patented 56 volts ARC lithium battery technology includes innovative design, intelligent power management, and revolutionary cooling technology for incredible power and performance. Easily move heavy debris by pushing the turbo button for 650 CFM. Choose between speeds of 225 to 500 CFM for ultimate control. High-efficiency brushless motor delivers longer run time, low vibrations and an extended motor life. With the included 5.0 Ah 56 volts ARC lithium battery get over 90 minutes of run time. It has a variable speed trigger, a cruise control dial, and a turbo button to move up to 650 CFM of air. In our tests, we discovered that the longer than average body and blow tube reached deeper under shrubs than the others, while still having enough power to clean out built-up debris and matted leaves. This was the most powerful blower we tested, but it was also the heaviest, weighing in at 10.2 pounds. The large battery, which also gives this blower the longest run time, accounts for the majority of the extra weight. For details, let's watch more. Our second best leaf blower is DeWalt 20 volts leaf blower. It's the brand modern and better blower that was introduced in the second generation. The design is completed in the trademark black and yellow colors, and the blower is easily visible from a distance when placed on the ground while working. It has an airflow rating of around 500 CFM. It has a top speed of 120 miles per hour. This means you'll have enough speed and efficiency to handle the majority of small landscaping tasks, and you won't have to deal with any of the problems associated with gas-powered blowers. Keep in mind that the battery's runtime is extremely limited. It's difficult to go more than 20 minutes between recharges, but it's a good thing the battery can be charged quickly. This fan's power will be increased by the powerful fan. You will not be disappointed, so cleaning up your outdoor space all at once is not a good idea. Third pick in our list is Black & Decker electric leaf blower. The Black & Decker LB700 corded blower features a 7-amp motor which provides a powerful and efficient blowing performance. This blower can move up to 180 miles per hour or 180 CFM for fast and easy cleanup of leaves and debris. It also features built-in cord retention that prevents frustrating interruptions during cleanup. The lightweight Black & Decker electric leaf blower, weighing only 4.4 pounds, is an excellent choice if the blower will be used for more than 1 hour at a time. With this corded electric tool, users won't have to wait for a battery to charge or make a trip to the gas station because it can run as long as there is an active electrical connection. The length of the extension cord, however, limits movement, so it's a good idea to invest in a cord that can reach the entire yard. This blower worked well for dry leaves and grass clippings on hard surfaces or mowed grass in our tests, but not so well for wet leaves and debris among taller grass. This leaf blower has a 7-amp motor and only one speed setting, allowing users to concentrate on the task at hand rather than worrying about switching speeds throughout the job. The maximum airflow volume is 180 CFM at 180 miles per hour, And the leaf blower has a built-in cord retainer to help ensure the extension cord stays connected even if it gets caught on a deck, tree, or other yard obstacles. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Sun Joe Electric Leaf Blower. The light choice is the right choice. When a big blower is simply too much for the job, this diminutive dynamo's 6-amp motor pack a powerful 155 miles per hour punch. It's just the right size for light-duty household applications like sweeping porches, patios, walkways, decks and garages, and even light snow. The Sun Joe Electric Leaf Blower offers an impressive airspeed of up to 155 miles per hour to effectively remove leaves and small twigs from driveways and walks. It outperformed larger, more powerful blowers on hard surfaces, though not quite as quickly, and it lags slightly in grassy areas. The single-speed blower weighs only 3.9 pounds and is easy to use with one hand. For safe outdoor operation, the Sun Joe has a 6-amp electric motor with a short pigtail cord that should be connected to either a 16-gauge, 50-foot exterior cord or a 14-gauge, 100-foot extension cord. The short cord makes it simple to tie off the plug for a secure, non-slip connection. The Sun Joe is a standout for power at a low price, and it's ideal for removing grass clippings and light leaf accumulation in garden areas, sidewalks, and garages. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best leaf blower list is Black & Decker 20 volts max leaf blower. Ideal for maintaining small yards, the lightweight Black & Decker leaf sweeper produces an airflow volume of 100 CFM on the 20-volt battery. It includes a 20-volt cordless trimmer for edging the lawn or garden, giving users multiple options for yard maintenance with just 2 tools. This kit includes a leaf blower and a trimmer, as well as a battery charger and 2 20-volt batteries that last approximately 30 minutes on a full charge. The sweeper lived up to its name. It worked well on dry surfaces and around obstacles such as potted plants and outdoor furniture. The air volume and speed are sufficient for daily cleaning of a balcony, patio, or driveway, but will not deep clean built-up layers of wet leaves. Easily rotates 180 degrees from a cordless string trimmer to an edger for versatile use. Provide convenient, customizable comfort and control for extended use. This kit includes 2 long-lasting batteries that are also compatible with other tools within the system.